This sentence sounds mysterious, doesn't it? So, are you ready to uncover this secret? Keep watching because what you will discover here may change your life. Hello friends! In today's video, we will discover how to be more sexually powerful and self-confident in the light of Stoic philosophy. We will take steps together to overcome contact addiction and increase our inner strength. On this journey, we will learn how to balance both our mental and physical health. 1. Sexual energy from a Stoic perspective. Sexuality is an important part of human nature, and Stoicism's approach to this subject is quite different from modern understanding. Stoics see sexual energy as a kind of inner power and argue that directing this energy correctly will increase the overall quality of life of the individual. According to this philosophy, it is important to see sexuality not only as a physical act, but also as a spiritual and mental experience. Stoics say that controlling our desires and directing them towards a higher purpose is the path to true freedom. This also applies to our sexual desires. According to them, recognizing these desires and managing them allows us to be more balanced and peaceful in other areas of our lives. For example, directing our sexual energy towards creative activities or personal development can help us feel stronger as individuals and establish a healthier balance in our relationships. From this perspective, think about how you can use your sexual energy more consciously and efficiently. Take time to get to know yourself and understand your desires. In this process, you can benefit from tools such as meditation and breathing techniques recommended by the Stoics. These techniques can be effective in providing mental clarity and inner peace. 2. Mental strength, willpower and control. One of the cornerstones of Stoic philosophy is willpower and the ability to control oneself. This also plays a critical role in the management of sexual energy. Mental strength is a basic skill required to recognize our sexual desires and direct them appropriately. The Stoics argue that mental strength is one of the greatest virtues of man and that this strength will help us make more conscious decisions in every area of our lives. Developing willpower increases our self-confidence and makes us more resilient. This is especially important in cases such as contact addiction. Contact addiction is often the result of uncontrolled desires, which can negatively affect both the emotional and physical health of the individual. With the Stoic approach, it is possible to control these desires and channel them in more constructive directions. The process of mental strengthening requires patience and constant effort. The first step is to understand our desires and the reasons for these desires. This is followed by developing strategies to manage these desires. Stoic meditation techniques and daily practices can guide you in this process. Asking yourself every day how you can better direct your desires is an effective way to increase your willpower. As you gain the ability to control yourself, you can also manage your sexual energy more consciously. This positively affects not only your physical health, but also your mental and emotional balance. Every step you take on the path of mental strengthening will make you freer and stronger. 3. Emotional connection and deepening. Emotional connection is the foundation of a healthy and satisfying sexual life. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of establishing deep and meaningful emotional connections. Emotional connection is not limited to physical contact, it is also about achieving mental and spiritual harmony with your partner. This harmony helps build your relationship on solid foundations. When looking for ways to strengthen emotional bonds, Stoic philosophy emphasizes open communication and empathy. Sharing your feelings and thoughts openly with your partner allows you to understand each other better. In this process, it is very important to be sensitive to the feelings and needs of the other person. Empathy is the key to a strong emotional bond and makes your sex life more satisfying. Another important aspect of Stoic practice to deepen emotional connection is mindfulness or awareness practices. This means living in the moment and focusing completely on your interactions with your partner. Mindfulness allows you to better understand the emotional and physical needs of both you and your partner. In this way, you can make your sexual experiences more satisfying and meaningful. Deepening your emotional bonds opens up a new dimension in your sexual life. These bonds strengthen your relationship and make you happier and more peaceful. Remember, establishing an emotional connection is a process that requires constant effort and attention. However, the fruits of this process will be a great source of satisfaction and happiness in your relationship in the long run. For physical health and sexual strength. You should not neglect your physical health to increase your sexual power. Stoicism argues that physical and mental health are a whole and that both should be in balance. Physical health directly affects your capacity to direct and increase your sexual energy. Therefore, adopting a healthy lifestyle is the first step to increasing your sexual power. Regular exercise keeps your body strong and energetic. Exercising not only increases your physical strength, but also contributes positively to your mental health. It promotes the release of happiness hormones such as endorphins and reduces your stress level. This positively affects your sexual life. Healthy nutrition also plays a critical role in increasing your sexual power. By taking the vitamins and minerals your body needs, you can keep your energy levels high and improve your overall health. Also, getting enough sleep is very important for your sexual health. Sleep deprivation can lead to hormonal imbalances and loss of energy, which negatively affects your sex life. Stoics state that paying attention to your sleep schedule is important for your overall health and happiness. Taking good care of yourself is one of the main ways to increase and maintain your sexual power. Finally, avoiding harmful habits is another important way to protect your sexual health. Substances such as alcohol and cigarettes can negatively affect your sexual performance and overall health. The Stoic lifestyle can help you overcome such addictions and live a healthier life. By adopting healthy habits, you can increase your sexual power and live a more fulfilling life. 5. Techniques for directing sexual energy. Sexual energy is an important part of our life force, and according to the Stoic philosophy, directing this energy correctly improves both our spiritual and physical health. Directing sexual energy is the process of channeling this energy into creative and productive activities. This technique not only improves your sex life, but also your overall quality of life. The first step is to recognize your sexual energy. It is important to understand how you feel this energy and how it comes out. Educating yourself on this topic is the first step to learning how to direct your energy. Daily meditation and mindfulness exercises can help you recognize your sexual energy and manage it better. During meditation, focus on how you feel your energy in your body and aim to direct this energy in a positive way. The second step is to channel this energy into creative and productive activities. This can be in a variety of areas, such as artistic work, sports activities, career goals, or personal projects. Directing your sexual energy into these types of activities improves both your mental and physical health and leads you to a more balanced and fulfilling life. For example, directing your energy into an art project both enhances your creative abilities and provides spiritual fulfillment. The third step is to share your sexual energy. This means establishing emotional and physical connections with your partner. Stoics argue that healthy relationships and deep emotional bonds are important in directing sexual energy correctly. By communicating openly with your partner, you can use this energy together in a more positive and constructive way. This will strengthen your relationship and make your sex life more satisfying. Finally, it is important to be patient and understanding with yourself in the process of directing your sexual energy. This is a skill that develops over time and requires constant effort. Educating yourself on this subject and learning to direct your energy positively will provide great benefits in the long run. See this process as a journey and enjoy feeling stronger and more balanced with each step. 6. Inner peace and sexual satisfaction. Inner peace is one of the fundamental concepts of Stoic philosophy and is the key to sexual satisfaction. Stoics argue that inner peace is essential for an individual's happiness and quality of life. Sexual satisfaction is also a part of this peace, and achieving inner balance will make your sex life more satisfying. Secondly, Stoic philosophy emphasizes controlling desires and wishes. Recognizing your sexual desires and consciously managing them is an important part of sexual fulfillment. This does not mean suppressing your desires, rather, it means learning to channel them in a healthy and constructive way. The Stoics say that controlling your desires and directing them toward a higher purpose is the path to true freedom. Thirdly, it is important to develop healthy lifestyle habits to achieve inner peace. This means exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, and getting enough sleep. Maintaining your physical health also positively affects your mental and emotional health, which in turn is reflected in your sex life. A healthy body is the foundation of sexual fulfillment and overall happiness. 7. Peace with yourself and self-love. Peace with yourself and self-love are the cornerstones of a healthy sex life and overall quality of life. Stoic philosophy emphasizes that an individual recognizes their own value and is kind to themselves. Self-love not only increases your emotional and mental health, but also your sexual satisfaction. The first step to making peace with yourself is to accept yourself as you are. Being at peace with your own body and emotions will help you feel more confident in your sex life. Stoics emphasize the importance of internal dialogue. This means ensuring that your thoughts about yourself are positive and supportive. Instead of criticizing yourself, show compassion to yourself and try to love yourself in every situation. Self-love is also about knowing yourself. Understanding your own needs, desires, and boundaries is critical to a healthy sex life. This includes not only your physical needs, but also your emotional and mental needs. Knowing your own body and mind is key to increasing sexual satisfaction and being at peace with yourself. In this process, practices such as Stoic journaling and meditation can help you deepen your inner exploration. Self-peace and self-love are also related to knowing your own value. Stoics argue that each individual should recognize their own value and potential. Knowing your own value increases your self-confidence, which is reflected positively in your sex life. Self-confidence allows you to understand yourself and your partner better and makes your sexual relationship more satisfying. Finally, self-peace and self-love also include setting healthy boundaries. Knowing and maintaining your own boundaries protects both your physical and emotional health. Stoics state that boundaries are important for an individual to protect their own value and needs. Knowing your own boundaries and expressing them clearly allows you to have healthier and more satisfying experiences in your relationships. Self-peace and self-love is a continuous journey. Be kind to yourself on this journey and try to love yourself more at every step. Stoic philosophy will guide you through this process and make you feel stronger and more peaceful. Remember, loving and accepting yourself is the greatest power, and this power will also positively affect your sex life. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you learned how to strengthen and direct your sexual energy with Stoic philosophy. Always remember to be patient and understanding with yourself on this journey. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share your comments. Goodbye.